Hey guys, welcome back to another Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have the vintage Timex Easy Reader. And if you haven't seen my previous video on this where I clean it up and get it going, I'll link that up here with a card, and you can take a look at that for yourself. But check this thing out. This is some old school stuff. This is early 2000s. I'll get you the exact date in the description. But look at the gold second hand, the black hands, the white dial, the huge numbers. There's a reason why they call it the Easy Reader, right? It is easy to see those numbers. No real complications on this besides the second hand, I guess, would be considered one. But really just telling you what the time is. I did install a NATO type band on this, just a cheap like a 10-pack I got off of eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description. Yeah, brass case, it looks like to me. It's probably actually some kind of metal with just a gold tone, but it looks brass. It's kind of taken a beating over those years, but it still looks really, really good. That dial looks great, and best of all, it has the Indiglo and it works fine. Let's get some specs on this one. This is a little bit larger than some of those other Timexes we've had on here. At least number-wise. I don't think the case really is huge. This is I got about 35.5 on the case size, and it is round. And we got a lug-to-lug of about 40 millimeters. And let's see here, we got a lug width. I think these are 18s. Let me just double check. I think the bands were 18. Yeah, that's an 18 millimeter on the band. And I just used the normal spring bars in there and just weaved it through as intended. I actually have another video. I don't know if I can link that in here too, but I'll try, on how to install these bands and the easy way to remember how to do it. But I mean, this thing's pretty cool. Vintage, this is early 2000s, like I said. Still ticking like the old Timex. Still going, just had to change a battery. Pretty easy on this one. They all have the snapbacks. Just pop the back, flip the battery in, pop it back on. I usually clean off the gasket, O-ring, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, not a lot of complications. Spec size, just kind of an updated band. Nice little weekend easy reader for old guys like me whose eyes are going bad. Let's get a little history on the Easy Reader. Alright guys, a little history about the Easy Reader. 1977 is when they switched over to the Easy Reader. I guess before the men's watches were called the Mercuries, but that's when they switched to this, I think they call them traditional school clock dials, basically, is what they look like. The white dial background and the black Arabic large letters on the dial. Or I should say, sorry, numbers, not letters. But yeah, that's 1977 is when they started doing this, and it continues on today. And they've actually evolved from the basic black and white to different colors in there to add more style, whatnot. But yeah, long time coming, 1977. And of course, Indiglo added when Indiglo became popular. I think that was probably 90s or so, or early 2000s, whenever that started to happen. But yeah, Indiglo looking great. So, hey guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Throw down your fun facts about the Easy Reader in the comments below, and we will see you next time.